I'll show you how to pixelate any image online using BlurMe Studio. You can pixelate faces, backgrounds, or any private information in just a few seconds. First, head over to blur.me to open BlurMe Studio. Click Upload and choose the image you want to pixelate. Once your image loads in the editor, click the Pixelation option in the left panel. BlurMe gives you different ways to pixelate images. To pixelate the entire image, turn on full screen blur. Your image will become fully pixelated. To pixelate the background only, turn on full screen blur and then select what you want to keep in focus. The background stays pixelated while your subject remains clear. To pixelate specific areas, like text or objects, use the custom blur tool. Simply select the area you want to hide. To pixelate faces automatically, turn on AI face detection. BlurMe will detect and pixelate all faces for you. Additionally, you can customize the effect by adjusting the size and intensity sliders. Everything updates in real time, so you can fine-tune the look before exporting. When you're happy with the result, click Export to download your pixelated photo. And just like that, you've successfully pixelated an image online using BlurMe Studio. Try it now for free.